Luxembourg's a rather cold country, so no wonder that we've got lots of hearty comfort food. And the soup that I'm making today is really popular all year round. For the Bouneschlupp I need beans, Mettwurscht sausage, cream and a potato. So Bouneschlupp is a chunky green bean soup with a smoky Mettwurscht sausage. And I'm using French beans here, but you could also use runner beans in this recipe. And when I was little, I remember watching my mum when she was cutting the beans, which in Luxembourgish is called Bohnenfeen. And in our house, we would always have Bouneschlupp followed by sweet panischer, pancakes. And if we didn't finish our bean soup, we wouldn't get the pancake. And I think I share that tradition with many Luxembourgers. Then there's also an onion and some potato that go in the soup. It really is a very, very humble soup. But the most essential ingredient is the Mettwurscht sausage, which is a Luxembourgish smoked pork sausage, which is particularly lovely when barbecued. But today it's going to flavor our soup broth really, really intensely. And now we can start cooking. First up, frying the onion. Then I'm adding a tiny bit of flour to make the soup a bit thicker. And there are some people who like their Bouneschlupp really thick, but I'm not one of them. And now the beans, potatoes and some vegetable stock. And another super essential for this soup, Bouneschlupp, summer savory. And this herb will give it its traditional taste. And once the vegetables are soft, I'm adding my Mettwurscht. And the Mettwurscht just simmers for the last 5 minutes to infuse the broth with that wonderful smoky dimension. And that's it for my Bouneschlupp. Now all I need to do is plate it up and add a little cheeky dash of cream in the end. Guten Appetit!